Most people think investing is only for the rich. But in the UK today, you can start investing with less than the cost of a takeaway. The problem isn't starting. It's knowing where to begin without losing money or feeling confused. So in this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple beginner steps to start investing the right way. Step 1. Fix your financial foundation. Before you invest a single pound, make sure your basics are covered. That means paying off high-interest debt, building an emergency fund, and knowing your monthly expenses. Investing while drowning in credit card debt is like trying to fill a bucket with holes in it. A good starting goal is saving at least 3 months of basic expenses. Once your foundation is stable, investing becomes far less stressful. Step 2. Understand what investing actually is. Investing simply means putting your money into assets that can grow over time. For beginners, the most common investments are stocks, ETFs, and index funds. Instead of letting money sit in a bank losing value to inflation, investing gives it the chance to grow. And no, you do not need to be a financial expert. Most wealthy investors succeed because they stay consistent for years, not because they predict the market perfectly. Step 3. Open the right UK investment account. In the UK, one of the best places for beginners to start is a Stocks and Shares ISA. Why? Because investments inside an ISA can grow tax-free. Many beginner-friendly apps let you start with small amounts of money and invest monthly. When choosing a platform, focus on low fees, easy-to-use apps, and long-term investing options. Keep it simple at the start. You do not need complicated strategies. Step 4. Start with simple investments. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is trying to pick the next big stock. Instead, many experienced investors recommend starting with index funds or ETFs. These spread your money across many companies at once, reducing risk. For example, some funds track the top UK or global companies automatically. This means you're not depending on one business to succeed. Simple investing usually beats emotional investing. Step 5. Invest consistently and be patient. This is the step most people ignore. Wealth is rarely built overnight. The key is consistency. Even investing a small amount every month can grow massively over time because of compounding. The earlier you start, the more powerful time becomes. Markets will go up and down. That's normal. What matters is staying patient and continuing to invest regularly. Investing doesn't mean complicated. Start with a strong foundation. Use simple investments. Stay consistent. And think long-term. Most people delay investing because they think they need more money or more knowledge. In reality, the biggest advantage is simply starting early. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more beginner-friendly money content. And watch the previous video on the 7 money rules the UK rich use. It'll help you build the mindset behind smart investing. See you in the next video.